Hello friends, this is Mark Ekwam from Mark Type TV. In this YouTube channel, I make tech related and how to do tutorials in different aspects of life. But in this particular video, I'm going to target only Kenyan campus students who want to do subsequent HELB loan application. Having said that, let's begin. Well, we understand that previously the process of subsequent HELB loan application could be done by just accessing the official HELB portal using any browser like Chrome, Firefox, name it. But the problem with that was after finishing up with the application process, you had to physically find yourself at Anniversary Towers University way in Nairobi. So that is the reason why the HELB management decided to launch some new alternative options to ease this process. One is by launching an app called HELB app. I have included the link to that app at the description section below. Tap on it to directly install it from Google Play Store. But the problem with that app also is that you are likely to find yourself stuck somewhere with some errors, and it also applies to the proud owners of smartphones. What if you do not have a smartphone? Well, do not worry, it is even super easy for you. We are going to discuss the second option, that is using USSD code. By that I mean accessing the phone call app, the system phone call app, which is available on all phones, and then you dial *642#. So in my phone it is there. Let me click on it. Dial 642#. Then ensure you are using a Safaricom app with the number that you first registered with HELB. So click on that SIM card. Now this pop-up window is because I have already registered with them. For you, if you are doing it for the first time, it's not going to be this way. There will be options. You will be directed to input your official national ID card number. Then you will be asked to input your password, a password of your own choice, and that password is going to help you in the application process. When you finally get to this window, just select login, option number 1. Welcome to HELB mobile platform. Please enter your PIN to proceed. Welcome to HELB mobile platform. Option number 1, loan application, loan disbursement, loan repayment. We are interested in option number 1 for loan application. Subsequent loan 2020-2021 loan application status. We are interested at option number 1, subsequent loan 2020-2021. Subsequent loan 2020-2021, please visit www.helb.co.ke to read terms and conditions. My friend, do not choose option number 2 because you will mess up everything. You just have to choose option number 1 for accept terms and conditions. Now, this step you need to verify your phone. So you choose that option number 1. You are required now to pay 1 shilling to pay bill 200, 800. And it is as simple as that, comrades. I'm sure you liked the video. Please do not deny to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends, and finally do not forget to subscribe to this channel.